Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes online in Canada using TurboTax. TurboTax provides a straightforward way to prepare and submit your Canadian income tax return. It offers several online editions, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your specific tax needs. The platform is designed to guide you through every section, ensuring accuracy and helping you maximize your refund or minimize your amount owing. It's a popular choice for millions of Canadians. To begin, you will need to create a new TurboTax account or simply sign in if you already have one. Before you start, gather all your essential tax documents, including T4 slips for employment income, T4 slips for other income, and T2202 forms for tuition. Carefully input your personal details, ensuring all information matches your official records. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and accurate tax filing experience. Once you have entered all your information, TurboTax performs an automatic review, checking for common errors and identifying any deductions you might have overlooked. It also helps pinpoint various tax credits you may be eligible to claim, potentially increasing your refund. Take your time to thoroughly review every section of your return yourself, ensuring all details are correct before proceeding to the final step. The final step is to net file your completed tax return directly to the Canada Revenue Agency. You will need to confirm your identity and provide authorization for the electronic submission. After successful transmission, TurboTax will provide you with a confirmation number, which serves as proof that your return has been received by the CRA. Keep this number for your records, as it is an important document.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.